Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a sticker from a picture selected from your gallery on the Sticker Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should go to the My Sticker section and select a sticker pack. Tap on this one of the boxes and click on Gallery. Then you will be directed to your phone's library, and then you should select a picture. Tap on the button Choose, and then you should either select all and save it as a sticker, or if you go back you can tap on the Smart Select button, which will cut out the picture for you automatically like this. You can also do it by yourself by tapping on the freehand option, just draw along, and you can cut it also in a square like this. If you are done with it, you can add the text to it, you can change the font, the color, you can also outline it and add colors to it too. Click on the button Save Sticker and it will be your first one in this pack, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.